Now children, some other methods for preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First one is from Grignard reagent. What is general formula of Grignard reagent? RMgX, which is also known as organometallic halide, because metallic halide is attached with carbon. Right. First method, first step of this Grignard reagent, reaction of Grignard reagent, which is RMgX with cadmium chloride. Then what is obtained? Dialkyl cadmium. Right? This is intermediate. Then reaction of this dialkyl cadmium with acyl group. This group is acyl group. Right? Then reaction between alkyl acyl and this dialkyl cadmium, formation of ketone. Only general formula is written here, not known ketone. You know very well, if R is a CH3, R is CH3, then ketone is acetone. Okay children? This is cyanide group or nitrile group, reaction of nitrile group with Grignard reagent. You know in Grignard reagent, what is right point of cleavage? Cleavage occurs between alkyl group and magnesium. This is negative part. CN group is polar group. Shifting of one pi bonded electron towards nitrogen. Carbon becomes positively charged, and this alkyl which is present, which is attached in this Grignard reagent, negatively charged. Then attachment of this negatively charged alkyl group to this positively charged carbon. And what is addition adduct or addition product is this unsaturated product. This is understandable. What is written in square bracket. Okay children, and positive part of this one goes to negatively charged nitrogen and dot, point of attachment of MgX. Right? Next step is acidic hydrolysis, and what is final product? Final product is ketone. Now preparation of aromatic ketone by acylation method. What is called acylation? A reaction with acyl group or introduction of acyl group like RCOCl. Right? Here aromatic hydrocarbon is taken, which is benzene, and RCOCl is unknown, acyl. Then what happens? Replace all hydrogen atoms are equivalent, chemically equivalent. Replacement of one hydrogen atom from this benzene ring and attachment of acyl. Actual bonding in acyl is present between C and Cl. This is right structure, R, C double bond O and Cl. Right? Bonding between C and Cl, not between O and Cl. Bond cleavage occurs between C and Cl. Which part is negative? Cl. Which part is positive? RCO, which is known as acylinium ion. Positive charge is present on carbonyl group, which is known as EM, acylinium ion. Then replacement of one hydrogen by hydrolysis and attachment of this positive carbon with this negative carbon, by which what is obtained? Aromatic ketone. This R is unknown, so I am writing only R. If R is a CH3, then what is obtained? CH3. It means acetophenone. Now children, next study of physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. It means in terms of melting point, boiling point and solubility in water. As you know, boiling point is intensive property, melting point is also intensive property, which depends upon nature of chemical bond. In aldehyde and ketone, what is the type of carbonyl, this bond in carbonyl group? Polar. Right? Due to dipole interaction between two CO group, what happens? Solubility of aldehyde and ketone in water. and increase in boiling point of aldehyde and ketone than their parent hydrocarbon. Okay, children, what is the effect of this polar carbonyl group? This bond is polar bond. Right? The effect of this polarity, dipole-dipole interaction occurs. This is one dipole, right? You know, di means two, pole means polarity. This is second dipole of second molecule of same type, and this interactive force is known as dipole-dipole interaction, which increases boiling point of aldehyde. Okay, suppose aldehyde is ethyl, this is known aldehyde. Then comparison of boiling point of ethane and ethanol, right? What is observed? Increase in boiling point, right? Same effect in ketone also, dipole-dipole interaction increases. Although aldehyde and ketones are volatile, but when we compare this boiling point with your parent hydrocarbon, this difference is observed. Now, second is solubility in water. Lower aldehydes, it means less carbon containing aldehydes, and lower ketones, it means less carbon containing ketones, are soluble in water. For a first ketone is acetone. First ketone is acetone, which is CH3, and this one. This is soluble in water. But as length or number of hydrocarbon increases, solubility of ketone and aldehyde decreases in water. Because what is the reason for their solubility in water? This interactive force. Here nature of interactive force is different, right? This group is polar group, and in water OH is also polar. Water is polar molecule. So what happens? Oxygen of carbonyl group and hydrogen of water forms intermolecular hydrogen bond. On account of intermolecular hydrogen bond between lower aldehydes and lower ketones, both are soluble in water. Now children, I am coming to study of chemical properties. Chemical properties are based on chemical reactions. First chemical property of aldehyde and ketone with hydrocyanic acid, HCl. This is structure of carbonyl group in aldehyde and ketone. Right? HCl, which part is negatively charged? Cn. And here which atom is negatively charged? Oxygen. Then what happens? Interaction between two oppositely charged ions. Okay children, this is geminal state. Geminal means two functional groups are attached at same carbon. So this geminal state, where one group is cyanide and second is OH, is known as cyanohydrin. Okay children, cyano it means cyanide and hydrin it means OH group. Now additional question which is related with this chemical property: why few drops of sodium hydroxide or strong alkali is added in this reaction, in reaction between carbonyl compound and HCl to increase the rate of reaction? What is the additional part? If alkaline solution is at few drops only, like sodium hydroxide, this negative part of sodium hydroxide interacts with positive part of HCl and increases its rate of dissociation. Okay, and what is byproduct? H2O and cyanide, which acts as nucleophile, right? Nucleophile, because this is negatively charged species. Nucleophile, it means nucleophilic, and nucleophilic means attraction towards positive center. Okay, you know this is positive center. First attack is made by cyanide group, and this is addition reaction. So this type of addition reaction is also known as nucleophilic addition reaction, right? Now children, second possible question which is based on same reaction. What is industrial application of cyanohydrin? Cyanohydrin on acidic hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. Right? Nitrogen forms byproduct as ammonia. Okay? If R is CS3 and second valency is attached with hydrogen, then this product is known as lactic acid, right? Which is one component of curd. IUPACIL 1, 2, 3, 2-hydroxy propanoic acid, right? So this is the importance of cyanohydrin. We can synthesize, we can prepare another organic product. Now next chemical property, reaction with sodium bisulfite. And reaction type is addition reaction. Right? This is sodium hydrogen sulfite, ITE, sodium sulfite, right? Group is common, carbonyl group, nature is same, polar plus NaH SO3. Which part is negative? This part. Which part is positive? Sodium, right? Attachment of sodium with oxygen and this bisulfite anion with carbon, because this is nucleophilic addition. First attacked by nucleophile. Here nucleophile is HSO3 minus bisulfite ion. Okay children, first step is attack of this nucleophile. Second step is proton shifting. Shifting of this hydrogen ion to this oxygen. Right, this one is also intermediate. When hydrolysis is done, acidic hydrolysis, what is obtained? Same carbonyl group. Right, suppose this carbonyl is aldehyde. What is obtained? Same type of aldehyde. Then what is the importance of this reaction? By this method, we can refine, we can purify impure carbonyl compound, right? Suppose some traces of alcohols is also present. Some traces are present. We can separate alcohol by this addition reaction, because addition occurs with carbonyl group, not with any other functional group. Okay children? So what condition is written? If impure, then finally pure carbonyl compound is obtained. Now what is the difference in this chemical reaction? In case of aldehyde, monohydric alcohol is required. Monohydric means one OH group containing. This is monohydric. Second condition, dry HCl, which increases its rate of reaction. As you know children, this CO group is polar group. Bond is polar bond. And alcohol shows two types of cleavages. First type is between OH and second is between RO. Right? In this case, in first step, what is the type of cleavage? Type of cleavage is OH. It means production of nucleophile. RO minus. After this cleavage, what is obtained? RO minus, which acts as nucleophile. Nucleophile, right? In second case, R plus, which acts as electrophile. Okay children? Displacement of this one, this is hemiacetal state. This part is alkoxy. Hemiacetal state. One more molecule of same type is added in the presence of dry HCl. Then what is obtained? Acetal. this dialkoxy or geminal state of dialkoxy is also known as acetal. Now, in case of ketone, what type of alcohol is required? Dihydric. Di means 2 and hydric means OH groups. And this 2 OH group containing where 2 carbon atoms are present, this type of alcohol is known as glycol. IUPAC name is ethyl 1,2-diol. Then reaction between ketone and glycol, elimination of water. Direct linkage of 2 oxygen atoms of glycol with carbon of carbonyl group. This cyclic structure of ketone with glycol is known as ketal because this is addition product of ketone. Addition product of aldehyde with alcohol is known as acetal. So this is important point of difference in chemical property of aldehyde and ketone with alcohol.